Steve is going to be like, and you guys are both kind of Now, if you could just keep laughing and follow that up. All right, let's hit that again. Just
stare?
Just laugh, Steve.
No. Sounds made up, I know.
Well, I hope, what?
Sounds made up, I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can throw your hands up or whatever you want to do. You're going to look over at him, not like at the camera, obviously.
Is this my middle finger? Yeah, sounds made up, I know.
T, don't look at the camera, do it again.
So, oh wait, I almost forgot. Sorry. Try that again. Oh, hey, I almost forgot.
Come on.
All right, I gotta get it out. Hey, I almost forgot. Before you start working on cars or anything, make sure you get your driver's license and photo back out. I can't, it's not even a funny line.
Oh, your hand's strong, boy. You've done this before.
That's a sharp truck you got there, buddy. I approve of it, and I like it. A lot.
A little bit more satisfied.
I'd say, like, how... I don't want to be corny with it. Just
You're allowed.
like,
Yeah. All right, you can look at him do it. You can do it, and I'm gonna get Dean. So you're basically gonna be pulling your hand up and then say it.
Okay, all right. Ready whenever?
Yep.
I can't believe you drive this.
well, you're about to drive it, buddy. This right here is a... I don't know,
That's good. Just he'll cut you. I'll have him cut you off. But his is all gonna be voiceover. So just do that again.
Okay.
I'm a car guy?
Yeah.
I'm a car guy.
One more time.
I'm a car guy.
Dean, say my man, and then do I'm a car guy.
My man.
I'm a car guy.
All right, Dean. Do you know your lines?
So I'm just like giving him an overview of different stuff in the car.
So I can't see. It's just like your faces and chest a little bit. So I can't see that if you need to look down at your lines.
Well, do you need me to reposition or anything, or?
No, you're good. Okay. You guys just take a couple turns going through this part of Dean explaining it and Jimmy understanding what he's saying.
Well, don't we need to have the car running for this, or are we just doing the lines first? Because right after I start going over stuff, you rev the engine.
I'm gonna pump in fake engine sounds just so that we don't ruin the audio.
Oh. I say, where you could literally record audio from the car too.
Okay.
So let's just get familiar with the car first. Obviously, you have your shifter here. Here's your steering wheel. Down on the left side is the emergency brake. Here's your wipers. Randomly.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be exact to that, right?
Nope,
Just
not
point
at
out
all.
some
And
random
go
shit.
start over at the beginning again, just so I have many different options to choose from.
As you can see, you got 3 pedals down on the floor. Down to your left, that's the emergency brake.
The one line is at your feet. Like, you're
Oh,
kind of
at
making fun of the fact that he probably doesn't have real feet.
Oh,
That
my
alien
bad.
feet.
All right, so you got your hand here on the steering wheel. This is your shifter. Down at, wait. 3 pedals at, sorry. 3 pedals down at your feet. On your left side, that's the emergency brake. This is giving me flashbacks to Justin's fake cat.
What are you talking about?
And one more time.
Whoa, easy. I didn't tell you to press any of the pedals yet.
I was just a little excited.
That was so good.
Question, my bad. I can't ask questions.
This is to get you guys comfortable on camera.
I'm not gonna be comfortable.
That was really good, but let's do it again. You don't have to like... Actually, just do you, yeah. Do what you're doing, but like... I'm trying to think of a different way to say it. Do what you're doing, but like, be interested in this conversation. But like,
So am I looking at the camera basically?
No, you're looking. Well, I guess you would be, but look through the camera.
Okay.
Damn, this guy's good. Oh. If you want to be the goofy guy, you can.